Hello again, I'm ChewOnTech and welcome to another video review. Today I'm going to take a look at a Spire HandyBook external hard drive docking station. In the review unit includes the hard drive docking station itself, the product warranty card, the AC adapter, some screws, the firewire cable, the docking station stand, the setting up manual, and the Spire installation CD. This docking station supports both Windows and Mac OSs. At the side of the docking station is the power switch, the DC in port, and the USB port. In front of the docking station is the blue LED indicator lights. At the side of the hard disk docking station are some ventilation holes. To open this docking station and install your hard drive, you just have to unscrew the screws at both ends and open up the docking station. The hard drive in the hard drive docking station will be cooled by an 80 mm fan. The interface for this docking station is via IDE, and the power for this docking station is via 4-pin Morlex connection. The transfer speed for this hard drive docking station is 480 MB per second. It also supports ATA PIO mode 0 to 4 or Ultra DMA mode 0 to 5. It also has enhanced IDE, ATA, and ATA-PI protocol. Finally, let's take a look at how this hard drive docking station works during normal operations. The hard drive installed, the hard drive docking station being switched on, and the LED. Overall, this hard drive docking station is awesome. I give it the editor's choice rating. The pros of this hard drive docking station is that this hard drive docking station has a transfer speed of 480 MB per second. And this has been another video review. I'm ChewOnTech from ChewOnTech.com. Do remember to visit the forums at forums.ChewOnTech.com, and if you wish to support ChewOnTech, please visit support.ChewOnTech.com.